Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I thought I would just show you a few miniatures I've bought recently. First up are these pencil holders I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought they would be cute like in a classroom or bedroom for storage. Next, I got this little pencil holder from the Dollar Tree. I think it's adorable, but my plan is to paint it. I think it would make a cute trash can in front of my little shop or next to the bus stop. I also think it could be cute if I had two of them to paint them and put flowers in front of the shop. I found these little dolls at Five Below. I mainly wanted the accessories for my Chelsea doll and to see if the outfits would fit Chelsea. But they're actually not bad dolls. The hair is horrible, but they do have some articulation. The little outfit is all one piece and it velcros in the back. Here it is next to a Chelsea doll. The little bicycle is really cute and the back wheel moves as the pedal moves. And yes, I broke this off, but it did pop right back on. Here is the outfit on a Chelsea doll. I think it works. It's a little long, but I think it'll work. The Chelsea doll is a little small for the bike, but I think it would work, for a video or for photos. This is the second doll, the skateboarder. It comes with a hoverboard, the skateboard, and a brush. The little hoverboard is kind of rickety. When the doll stands on it, it kind of bends. This doll has the same articulation. She has her one-piece outfit and then a little purple jacket tied around her waist. The skateboard is cute. It has working wheels. Here is Chelsea in the outfit. I think it looks pretty cute. I picked up this Barbie Extra mini doll at Walmart on clearance. I bought her to do a head swap with the blonde Chelsea. She's pretty cute. Her outfit is a little fancy for Chelsea, I think. Here is the Chelsea on the Barbie Extra mini body. I think it looks really cute. The Barbie Extra mini doll came with a doll stand and this little purple purse. So I made a second trip to Five Below and found the scooter doll. She's basically the same as the skateboarding doll. Here is the Chelsea doll in the outfit. It is a little bit big in the shoulder area, but I think it looks cute. The scooter is adjustable in height. It came on the tallest, but it does go shorter, which will work with the Chelsea doll. I also realized the scooter folds up for storage, which is really cute. I picked up this World's Smallest Garbage Pail Kid card and figurine. It's called Graffiti PD. I had Garbage Pail Kids as a kid, so I had to get this. I think the card's a little big for the Barbies, but I thought maybe it would work as a poster. Here is the figurine, and it comes with 2 little bitty spray paints. I picked up this Barbie at TJ Maxx for $4. Her face paint is pretty shiny. Her eyes and her lips are really shiny. But I love her hair. It got a little smushed in the packaging, but I was able to fluff it back up. I also picked up this Barbie Extra from TJ Maxx. It was $8. Her hair got a little snagged as I was opening it, but I think it'll be okay. I love her hair. I do think there's something wrong with her neck. She's got like a bobblehead. It doesn't want to stay forward. So what I plan on doing is just taking a little bitty piece of tape and putting it behind her neck to kind of hold it in position. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.